And in this world, you're going to need other people to help you. You cannot say, oh, I became a millionaire, or I became a doctor and I did it by myself. No. Teachers help you, organizations help you, your friends help you. There's always people, your parents help you, your uncle, whoever. There's always going to be people that's going to help you. So I'm still at the University of Buffalo working on my social work degree, and I'm an intern at the International Institute of Buffalo. I'm going to be there for 2 semesters, and I work there Tuesdays and Thursdays. I work there from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And I work in the refugee department. We help refugees that come from Burma, from Somalia, from South America, Central America, from anywhere. We help them. We provide like a home. We find a home for them, find furniture for them. Buffalo State College, they donate a lot of furniture, and we give it to the people. So I'm at the International Institute of Buffalo, and that's my story in a fast way.
That is great.